Afambo Mazi Eugene Ifanya Abumoni Anambra State. Umuchu to be precise.
Ani manogi wabu Convener SELAA Awards. Keko siwega na 2025.
It was a tough journey. Magaye Megaya Noka for the past 3 years. So I can try a new terrain, try a new city. So I skybooted the city of Enugu, and it was a journey, but we thank God that it has come and it was a huge success. So I'm not saying Enugu Dalo for having us.
Why did you go Enugu this year?
Okay, Enugu is like the hub of entertainment in the southeast. I call it the Lagos of the southeast. A lot of things are happening here, shows and also entertainment. So I think I go where it check but I say okay. Enugu because the entertainment here is growing so fast. So let us come and associate with the people of Enugu. I mean Enugu this year.
Is it possible na I gafu ka SELAA Awards so na aga from state to state na southeast?
Yes. I am a baby mayor next year, but the plan is to move it, rotate it into different states, and in the nearest future also take it out to Lagos for Ndi Ibono and Lagos, take it out to London for Ndi Ibono and London, just all around the world. We just want to keep rotating because Ndi Ibono Ebeni I face like seed, all over the world. So the idea is to rotate it. It's not just going to happen in the southeastern states, to happen in states that have a lot of Igbo people residing there, yes.
Were your expectations met? You guys seen a Kisiwe low no game state. You guys seen a Nyabu Elonobia Kisiwe chair.
They didn't go try it, but they came out in their glory, In my mother's seminary, they stick it to dress code for event, and the dress code for this event was Igbo royalty, and they showed up. Like that day was just so colorful, seeing people dressed beautifully in their kwete, in their ishago, in their krekre star. So I think the expectations were met, but I believe that we can do better in terms of support. I think we can raise the support so guy, but I'm sure that they've seen how successful the show was. So I say get me and Enugu next year. Fire na bataya for more.
Dalu K4 welu ijiwe Georgia the awardees. Kedu criteria ijiwe Georgia for?
Okay. Okay, so I'm with the two kinds of awardees. I'm with the silver award and with the gold award. Now the silver award, we call it the achievers, or just for young people doing well in different spheres, makeup artists, DJs, young entrepreneurs, students, just young people. So for that category, I need open here to Ndoha, can nominate. Yeah? So you nominate whoever you want to, win this award. And after thousands of nominations, the board guys streamline each category to just four nominees. Four nominees, then they vote. So they go through what we call a paid voting, and the winner of that vote gets to win the award. Now we have the recognition award, where it's not open for the public to nominate. The board themselves sorts for individuals who are fit to hit that category. We have categories like Young Achiever of the Year, Philanthropist of the Year, Humanitarian Personality of the Year. So I got to name more from in that category. It's name of like 2 or 3 persons. Then we reach out to them. Then that's the person that will just follow through until they come for the event.
I actually made the origin story. Can you SELAA Awards to see this initiative?
Okay, my late father, may he so rest in peace, Chief Ebubedike One Nomuchu. He's a lover of the Igbo culture. On our in our village. In fact, he traveled every week. On Friday, he would travel to the village and come back on Sunday. So at every opportunity, he always tried to make us love the culture, go masquerading, take us to the stream, and about Igbo. In fact, the man no boys but only Igbo. So we lost him in 2016 while I was in school, and 2021 I was just thinking, make his legacy very on. I just need something that I can do to just celebrate him for his love and his input into the Igbo culture, and that was where this idea was born out for, to just celebrate him, and also to celebrate Ndi Igbo all over the world, because Ndi Igbo na Wambo. Igbo no Igbo batala zonyo ba. that place there will be a physical change and all around. So we just thought there is no award in the Southeast that celebrates Ndi Igbo. Na Ndi Igbo, there me, more from. I mean, I say kani whooped this award to appreciate Ndi Igbo so they can keep doing what they are doing. Yes.
Na the next SELAA Awards
the next name the one of the things Corona this year the event for legends and achievers. But for all, lots of legends na the event. When I say na the legends are easy we tried to reach out to a whole lot, but not easy. When come next year, I now kwado to bring out lots of our Igbo legends in politics, in entertainment, in music. Fadiro is like na icho popota everybody kepete doche makwifi me say you be no gay na reach out to them. So okay, SELAA na biakwa August next year, or maybe from January, I send her invite. So at least that would, make them to come out. And for quite 5 million last year, I go see for a video. Can you go see pota? Obi atokwa. So the legends, and we will do better next year.
All right, the last question. Where bolo kedeba na atwanye for SELAA in the next 5 years?
Next 5 years, well, that's it. That's out for our 10th edition because I just made the 4th edition. A globally recognized brand. We have, and with the likes of the AMA, the AMVC, the Headies, the Oscars, the Grammys, all over the world. SELAA would be a brand that be globally recognized. Mandocha, Mandoji, people all over the world. Mana, Engola award aneji akwado ndi wenwere nzere aneji akwado ndi Igbo. So just follow us through because in the next 10 years will be very, very big. Kasiko Nambido, I can name some editions in London, Canada, US. So in the next 10 years, I are the very, 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 very big.